Hi everyone, this is Jonathan. Welcome to Systems, Security, and Governance. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a meeting where someone says, let's align this with the service value system? Or, is this an incident or a problem? And you nod. But internally you're thinking, wait, what exactly does that mean? You're not alone. One of the biggest challenges with Itil isn't the framework. It's the language. The terminology sounds formal, sometimes even intimidating. And in modern enterprises, especially in IT, finance, healthcare, SaaS, or government environments, that language matters. Because if you don't understand it, you don't fully participate in the conversation. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 15 Itil terms every IT professional must understand. In plain English, no textbook definitions, no exam memorization, just what these terms actually mean in the real world. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand Itil terminology in a meeting and respond with confidence. Let's get started. Picture this. You're working in a mid to large US enterprise, cloud-based infrastructure, multiple internal teams, maybe even regulated by SOX or HIPAA. A production outage happens. Executives want answers. Security wants risk analysis. Developers want speed. Auditors want documentation. And suddenly, Itil terminology starts flying around. If you understand these next 15 terms, you will feel confident and aware. Let's go. What is service? In Itil, a service is not just help desk support. A service is a way to deliver value without the customer having to manage all the risk and complexity. If your company provides email cloud hosting, cybersecurity monitoring, internal HR systems, customer-facing apps, those are services. So service management isn't about tickets, it's about managing how value flows through technology. What is value? Itil 4 revolves around one word: value. Value means the benefit someone actually receives, not how much effort IT puts in, not how many approvals you get. Value is measured by outcomes. If a system upgrade improves transaction speed and increases revenue, that's value. If you perfectly follow process but nothing improves, that's not value. In modern enterprises, leadership thinks in outcomes. If you understand value, you're speaking their language. What is utility? Utility means, does the service do what it's supposed to do? Does it really do what it was intended to do? It's about functionality. If your CRM allows sales teams to track leads, that's utility. What is warranty? Warranty means, is the service reliable, secure, and available? It helps providing value to the customer. Uptime, security, performance standards. What is incident? An incident is simple. It's an unplanned interruption or reduction in service quality. Server crash, login failure, network outage. The goal of incident management? Restore service fast, because downtime costs money. In some modern industries, downtime can cost thousands of dollars per minute. Incident management is about speed and impact reduction. What is problem? Now here's where confusion starts. An incident is the event, a problem is the root cause. If your system crashes every 2 weeks, each crash is an incident. The misconfigured database causing those crashes? That's the problem. Incident management restores service. Problem management prevents recurrence. If you understand that difference, you immediately sound more credible in enterprise IT discussions. What is service request? This is often confused with an incident. A service request is something routine: password reset, access request, new laptop request. Nothing is broken, it's just a request for standard service. What is change enablement? Any addition, modification, or removal of configuration item is called change. Change enablement ensures changes happen with controlled risk. It's not about slowing things down, it's about balancing speed and stability, especially critical in regulated modern industries. What is risk? Risk is the possibility of loss or disruption. Security breach, compliance violation, system outage. Itil integrates risk thinking into decision-making. Modern enterprises can't ignore risk. What is governance? Governance ensures IT aligns with business objectives and regulatory obligations. It answers, are we accountable? Are we compliant? Are we aligned with strategy? In publicly traded modern enterprises, governance is mandatory. What is Service Level Agreement, SLA? An SLA defines expected performance. Availability targets, response times, resolution times. If you promise 99.9% uptime, that's part of the SLA. SLAs manage expectations between IT and the business. What is Service Value System, SVS? This sounds complex, but it's not. The Service Value System explains how all parts of the organization work together to create value. Governance, practices, continual improvement, leadership direction. It's the big picture view of IT. What is Service Value Chain? The Service Value Chain shows how work flows through the organization. Plan, improve, engage, design, build, deliver. It's about value flow, not isolated processes. What is practice, not process? Itil 4 uses practice instead of process. Because modern IT isn't just flowcharts, a practice includes people, tools, technology, workflows. Knowledge. It reflects how real organizations operate. And the last topic is, what is continual improvement? This is structured optimization. Regular evaluation of performance efficiency. Risk. Customer feedback. High-performing modern enterprises don't just operate, they improve continuously. Transition to close. Notice something? None of these terms are complicated. They only sound complicated. Once you understand them in plain English, ITL stops feeling theoretical. It becomes practical, and more importantly, you start participating instead of just listening. Let's recap quickly. Service delivers value. Value focuses on outcomes. Utility and warranty define performance. Incidents restore service. Problems remove root causes. Service requests are routine. Change enablement balances risk and speed. Risk and governance protect the organization. SLA, as manage expectations. The service value system connects everything. The service value chain drives flow. Practices reflect real ecosystems. Continual improvement drives maturity. If you understand these 15 terms, you understand the language of enterprise IT, and that gives you a serious professional advantage. If this helped clarify ITIL for you, hit the like button so more IT professionals can find it. Subscribe for more real-world insights on ITIL, governance, and enterprise IT strategy. And in the comments, which ITIL term confused you the most before today? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.